the real truth lah. So moving forward, what is the ideal meditation? Is to find anatta.
Yes. Yeah. If somebody want to gain enlightenment, the first stage will be get rid of the personality belief. That is a concrete wrong view about the self or soul. All right. So this is the first one. Then they have to get rid of all the doubts about the Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha, the Tripitaka, and so on. Another one is those wrongful practice like believe killing animals go to heaven, or worship the fire, or torture yourself, jump into the holy water. All these wrong practice. So these are three factors. We call it the personality belief, clinging to the idea of self. Then then another one is a doubts. Another one is Silabbata Paramasa, clinging to the wrongful practice. So once these three are eradicated, the person can become Sotapanna, the first stage of enlightenment. Then he's safe. Safe means will not fall to the woeful state, will not born as a hell animal. Yeah, because in the samsara, when we are traveling around, we are doing some good, we are also doing some bad. And then our past karma in the past might catch up with us. That's why the Buddha said we are not safe. Once you reach the first stage of enlightenment, you are safe. Yeah. So how to get it? The idea is you must get rid of this personality belief, clinging to the idea of self and soul. So you have to practice walking until you really see mind and body, two separate entities. And your mind, your absolute control, your absolute belief, there's no such thing called soul or self. Actually, in walking meditation, you can feel better, you know. Do you feel that? Yeah, compared to sitting. Because sitting, your mind too calm down, or sometimes a lot of sloth and torpor. And when you close your eyes during sitting, it reminds you of sleeping. Do you notice that? So when you close your eyes, you feel like you just like want to let go totally, you know. Yeah, but when you're walking meditation, it's different. You have to maintain the body posture. You have to push and push and push. And you can see with you need to have more effort in lifting, even like left, right. You have to maintain the body straight and lifting. And then you're lifting, dropping, lifting, pushing, dropping. There's a lot of energy involved. So more mindful. Yeah, more mindful. Only you walk when you feel very tired. You do some standing for a while. Then you go back and walk. And if not a lot of people, you can sometimes do left, right. Like especially you go to garden, you have time. Left, right, like a quick exercise. That's a nice one. Okay. For those who don't really understand about non-self, it means that you are not at that level yet. No, never mind. Practice more. Okay. Practice more, then you understand by yourself. So at first, when I start to read about non-self, when I start to train under one of the Vipassana teacher, he asked for interview, right? Then I go. He asked me. I really cannot explain until he scolded me. I almost cry out. That was before I became a silent. Because I really don't understand. It's so cheap. The concept is so deep that really, what is it trying to say? When the more you read, your mind go even more blur. And then one day I practice meditation, walk. Then I suddenly like, oh, that's the meaning. Only mind and body. Okay? Only two things, very simple. Mind and body. Now, that's a problem with adult thinking compared to children. Now, you talk with children, they understand, okay, mind and body, this I is just an idea. Maybe some children, if they had the parami, okay, they can understand. But we humans have to go through the layers of filtering, editing, processing, until you cannot simply go to the level of knowing. Actually, when you walk, your mind just aware of the left, right. It's very simple, basic awareness, basic knowing. You don't even need to think more. You just need to be mindful or not think left, right. That's all. Is it simple? Yes.
For walking,
yeah.
If I go for slow jogging, I can apply this, right?
Can.
My leg is moving.
Yes.
My leg is walking.
Yes.
My body is moving.
Yes.
My mind is
knowing.
noting.
Yes.
Can do that, right?
Can. Yeah.
When I go for
Yes.
slow jog,
Yeah.
I tend
Right.
to use
Yes. So when you go outside, even you are driving, whatever, you just go for this fundamental knowledge. only two things, mind and body. Mind and body. What is your mind doing? What is your body doing? That's all. And when you see these two separate, then you understand the self or soul or what, it's just an idea in the beginning. We call it concept. It never exists in the first place. So when people scold us, we get angry. At that time we say, why you scold me? You know, then the ego, conceit, get angry. But where is this I? It never exists. Okay.
Talking about anger and ego. Okay. We know that we have a bad temper. We try to avoid from certain people that we so-called dislike. But the person says like, maybe past life owe him so much, he keep on chasing. How are you going to get out of this type of